What is paralytic shellfish poisoning? It is caused by the Saxitoxin family produced by several species of Alexandrium dinoflagellates. What is neurotoxic shellfish poisoning? It is caused by the Brevitoxin family including dinoflagellate, Karenia brevis, and Gymnodinium breve. What is hemotoxins? Hemotoxins cause hemolysis, the destruction of RBCs or induce blood coagulation. Snake example: most vipers and many cobra species. The tropical rattlesnake Crotalus durissus produce convulsin as a coagulant. How millipedes do protect themselves? Millipedes protect themselves by oozing sticky droplets when attacked. These droplets are poisonous. What is amnesic shellfish poisoning? Amnesic shellfish poisoning is caused by domoic acid produced by several species of Pseudoniscia. What is cytotoxin? A cytotoxin is any substance that has a toxic effect on cells. Some common examples of cytotoxins include chemical agents and certain snake venoms. Cytotoxins typically attack only a specific type of cell or organ rather than an entire body. What are cardiotoxins? Cardiotoxins are components that are specifically toxic to the heart. They bind to particular sites on the surface of muscle cells and cause depolarization. That is, the toxin prevents muscle contraction. These toxins may cause the heart to beat irregularly or stop beating, causing death. Snake examples are mambas and some cobra species. Why snake bite in human beings and dogs is fatal compared to large animals? Human beings and dogs are relatively smaller in size compared to other large animals like horse and cattle. Hence, the bite is fatal in smaller subjects than the larger ones. Why, why avoiding reef fish consumption is the only way to avoid ciguatera? The detection of ciguatoxin is difficult as it does not produce any change in organoleptic properties of fish. Further, CTX is not destroyed by temperature or gastric acid. Hence, avoiding eating of reef fish is the only way to prevent ciguatera. Why puffer fish are resistant to tetrodotoxin? Puffer fish have sodium channels with altered structure due to mutation which are resistant to tetrodotoxin action. Why alcohol is contraindicated in cleaning the area of snake bite? Alcohol causes vasodilation, promoting the spread of the venom in the body. What are local actions of myotoxin venomous snakes? That myotoxic venomous snakes produce minimal swelling and pain. What are systemic actions of myotoxins venomous snakes? Myotoxic symptoms are common with Hydrophidae or sea snakes. The venom produces generalized muscular pain, myalgia, muscular stiffness, myoglobinuria, renal tubular necrosis, and death usually occurs due to respiratory failure. What does the word predator means? An animal that eats other animals. What does the word prey mean? An animal that is eaten by other animals. Who is usually poisonous? The predator or the prey? The prey. How is a poisonous animal different from a venomous animal? Poisonous animal is different from a venomous animal because venomous animals inject their poison into its victim. A predator comes in contact with the poison of a poisonous animal if it touches or eats the animal. What are mollusks? Mollusks are human interest are known due to their beautiful pattern of their shells. The genus Conus is a group of approximately 500 species of carnivorous predators found in marine habitats that use venom as a weapon for prey capture. The second group of okay, sorry. The second group is Molluscovirus vorus, sorry, and hunts other gastropods. The final group is Piscivorous and has venoms that rapidly immobilize fish. There are probably more than 100 different venom components known as conotoxins, which may be rich in disulfide bonds and conopeptides. Some components have enzymatic activity. Conopeptides also target ligand gated ion channels that mediate fast synaptic transmission, resulting in poisoning. What is direct shellfish poisoning? Direct shellfish poisoning is caused by chemicals of the ocadic acid family produced by several species of Dinophysis dinoflagellates. What is Ciguatera fish poisoning? Ciguatera fish poisoning is caused by the ciguatoxin family and produced by several species of dinoflagellates including Gambidiscus, Prorocentrum, and Ostreopsis. What are marine bites and stings? Some marine bites and stings are toxic. All create wounds at risk for infection with marine organisms, most probable Vibrio and Mycobacterium species. Shark bites result in jagged lacerations with near total or total amputations. How do we get fish poisoning? Eating of contaminated fish and seafoods are responsible for fish poisoning. The most common of these are Ciguatera poisoning. Okay, and for example, Ciguatera is a foodborne illness caused by eating fish that is contaminated by Ciguatera toxin. Ciguatera toxin is a heat stable lipid soluble compound produced by dinoflagellates and concentrated in fish organs that can cause nausea, pain, cardiac, and neurological symptoms in human when ingested. What are madrepores? Madrepores are elongated, many segmented brownish yellow arthropods have a pair of walking legs on most segments. They are fast moving, secretive, and nocturnal. They feed on other arthropods and even small vertebrae and birds. Centipede venoms contain high molecular weight proteins, proteinases, esterases, 5-hydroxytryptamine, histamine, lipids, and polysaccharides. Such venom contain a heat labile cardiotoxic protein of 60 kilodaltons that produce in humans changes associated with acetylcholine release. Define fish poisoning. Fish poisoning is acute illness resulting from the consumption of fish. Illness due to eating fish that normally contain neurotoxins in their flesh. Illness due to eating stale fish either due to histamine or bacterial food poisoning. Define in brief nature of toxins of ants. Fire ant is the common name for several species of ants in the genus Solenopsis. Ant venom is any of or a mixture of irritants and toxins inflicted by ants. Most ants spray or inject a venom, the main constituent of which is formic acid only in the case of subfamily Formicinae. The ants get a grip and then sting and inject a toxic alkaloid venom called solenopsin, a compound from the class of piperidines. What are the signs and symptoms of toxicity by fire ants? In human beings, signs of toxicity include sterile pustules on the body. Why the stinger is lost due to stinging and results in death of honeybee. The stinger in honeybee is barbed, which gets stuck in the victim's skin along with venom sac. Hence, stinger apparatus is lost and results in death of the insect. Why wasps can sting multiple times? Wasps can withdraw the stinger as it is not barbed and can sting multiple times. What is tick paralysis? Tick paralysis is the only tick-borne disease that is not caused by an infectious organism. The illness is caused by a neurotoxin produced in the tick's salivary gland. What are the local actions of neurotoxic snakebite? The local manifestation neurotoxic venoms are severe burning at bite site, rapid edema, and inflammatory changes followed by oozing of serum may be observed. What are local actions of hemotoxic venomous snakes? Systemic actions are due to hemolytic effect on heart and blood vessels, resulting in cardiovascular collapse and death. If the patient survives suppuration, sloughing with infection at the site of bite, hemorrhage from the mucosa of rectum, other natural orifices, etc., and gangrene of the parts involved can occur. The venom acts by cytolysis of endothelium of blood vessels, lysis of red cells and other tissue cells, and coagulation disorders. This can lead to severe swelling with oozing of blood and spreading cellulitis at bite site. Blood from such patients fail to clot even on adding thrombin because of very low level of fibrin. This is followed by necrosis of renal tubules and functional disturbances like convulsions due to intracerebral hemorrhage. There are more than a million species of arthropods, generally divided into 25 orders, of which at least 12 are of importance to human from an economic standpoint. However, medically, the following are okay. These are define nature of toxins produced by scorpions. Many scorpion venoms contain low molecular weight proteins, peptides, amino acids, nucleotides, and salts, among other components. Venom having two components, a hemolytic and a neurotoxic fraction. Describe in brief mode of action of viper and cratalloid neurotoxic venomous snakes. The venoms of these snakes are neurotoxins that are not membrane depolarizing but rather are antagonistic to acetylcholine and acts as a blocking agent at the neuromuscular junction. Phospholipases, proteases, and lytic factors contained in venom tend to cause hemolytic effects and are largely responsible for the necrosis that follows viper and crotallid bites. Cell metabolism is interrupted by inhibition of oxidative phosphorylation, which leads to an insufficient supply of ATP for the cell. Mitochondrial electron transport is also interrupted as Q cytochrome C, an electron acceptor protein in the electron transport chain, is denatured. Describe general symptoms of snakebite. General symptoms include bloody wound discharge, fang marks or swelling at wound, extreme localized pain, excessive sweating, loss of muscle coordination, blurred vision, numbness or tingling, convulsions and fainting. What is general nature of snake venom? Snake venom is highly modified saliva containing zootoxins. It contains more than 20 different compounds, mostly proteins and polypeptides, a complex mixture of proteins, enzymes, and various other substances with toxic and lethal properties, serves to immobilize the prey animal. Enzymes play an important role in the digestion of prey, and various other substances are responsible for important but non-lethal biological effects. Describe mode of action of neurotoxic venomous snake. The venoms of different types of venomous snakes are different in composition. Elapidae and Hydrophidae venoms are rich in neurotoxic polypeptides. These venoms are typically fast acting on nerve tissue and neurotransmitters, often degrading neurotransmitters or depolarizing the axonal membrane for long periods of time, thereby preventing nervous impulses from being conducted. Describe mode of action of cardiotoxic venomous snakes. Cobra cardiotoxins depolarize cardiac cell membrane, which leads to systolic arrest. Cardiotoxic venoms have an affinity for cardiac tissue. These venoms are typically fast acting on nerve tissue and neurotransmitters, often degrading neurotransmitter or depolarizing the axonal membrane for long period of time, thereby preventing nervous impulses from being conducted. What is the difference between poisonous and non-poisonous snakes? The shape of the head, pupil, fangs and tail are the biggest and most easily recognizable features that can be used to determine the difference between venomous and non-venomous snakes. Classify poisonous snakes. There are about 3200 species of snakes. Approximately 1300 species are venomous. Venomous snakes are usually defined as those which possesses venom glands and specialized venom conducting fangs, which enable them to inflict serious bites upon their victims. In general, the following are recognized as venomous snakes: the Colubridae, which possesses small rear fangs; the Elaphida and Hydrophida, which possesses small front fanged. What is neurotoxin? Give examples. Neurotoxins are toxins that are poisonous or destructive to nerve tissue. Neurotoxins are an extensive class of exogenous chemical neurological inserts that can adversely affect the function in both developing and mature nervous tissue. For example, king cobra, sea snake, many banded krait, and cobras. What is the difference between poison and venom? Poison is contained in the tissues and is delivered through eating. For example, pufferfish tetrodotoxin must be inhaled, ingested or delivered via touch, while venom is produced by a specialized gland and is delivered either injected into a wound or through biting or stinging. For example, snake venom. Define tetrodotoxin. Tetrodotoxin, also known as puffer poison, is found in many species of pufferfish, ocean sunfish, and porcupine fish. It is an amino perhydroquinazoline compound. Define saxitoxin. Some mollusks contain neurotoxins known as saxitoxin, which are produced when certain species of algae undergo rapid growth and are ingested by mollusks. Define hemotoxicity. Hemotoxicity is related to blood toxicity. It includes coagulopathies, cardiotoxicity, and hemolysis. Define venomous animal. A venomous animal can produce venom in specialized glands or cells and deliver it either by biting or stinging or in some cases by acquiring or spitting. Define poisonous animal. A poisonous animal possesses a toxin within its tissue that can have deleterious effects when ingested. How one can differentiate toxin, poison and venom. Toxin are proteins that lead to immune reaction. Poisons are chemical substances, that is, if poison is ingested by a snake, it becomes venom. Venoms are biological poisons.